Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. I hope you are all doing well. I am Kausar Liaquat, your maths teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College Lahore. This is lecture number 5 of mathematics for the students of level 1. Dear students, you need few stationery items like pencil, eraser, notebook and countdown 1. In this lecture we will discuss page 2021 from countdown 1. Our topic is place value. In this lecture, we will discuss numbers up to 20 by using abacus. At the end of this lecture, students will be able to understand place value with tens and ones rule, identify abacus parts, and read the numbers on the abacus. First, we need to know what is an abacus. Abacus is an ancient tool. It is also called counting frame. Here you can see an abacus. It has two rods. The rod on the left side is for tens. This one is for tens. And the other rod on the right side is for ones. This one. This rod is for ones. Now we add beads to the abacus. I add one bead on the tens rod and 4 beads on the ones rod. This abacus shows 1 10 and 4 ones. That makes 14. So 10 plus 4 equals 14. Now we practice some questions of page 2021 from our book Countdown 1. Page 20, question number 6. What number does the abacus show? Write in the box. The first one has done for you. In the A part you can see the tens rod has 1 bead and ones rod has 6 beads. So 10 plus 6 equals 16. You will write 16 in the answer. In part B you have 1 bead in the tens column and 2 beads in the ones column. So 10 plus 2 becomes 12. We will write 12 in the answer. In part C you have 1 bead in the tens column and 1 bead in the ones column. So 10 plus 1 becomes 11. You will write here 11. In part D you have no bead in the tens column and 9 beads in the ones column, so you will write here 9. In part E you have 2 beads in the tens column and no bead in the ones column, so you will write here 20. In part F you have 1 bead in the tens column and 7 beads in the ones column, so you will write 17. Now we solve question 7 on page 21. In this question, we will read abacus and write the number in words. In part A, we have 1 bead in the tens column and 3 beads in the ones column. So 10 plus 3 equals 13. So we will write here 13. In part B, we have 2 beads in the tens column. It means we have 2 tens. So 2 tens becomes 20 and no bead in the ones column. So we have 0 digit in the ones place. So 20 plus 0 equals 20. So we will write here 20. In part C, we have 1 bead in the tens column and 5 beads in the ones column. So 10 plus 5 equals 15. So we will write here 15. In part D, we have 1 bead in the tens column and 9 beads in the ones column. So 10 plus 9 equals 19. So we will write here 19. In part E, we have 1 bead in the tens place and 7 beads in the ones place. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. So we will write here 17. Page 21, question 8. Draw beads on the abacus to show the given numbers. In part A, we have number 14. So we will draw 1 bead in the tens column and 4 beads in the ones column. In part B we have number 15, so we will draw 1 bead in the tens column and we will draw 5 beads in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In part C we have number 20, so we have 2 tens and 0 ones, so we will draw 2 beads in the tens column. 1, 2. And we draw nothing in the ones column because we have 0 in the ones place. In part D we have number 13. So we will draw 1 bead in the tens column and 3 beads in the ones column. 1, 2, 3. We have number 7 in part E. So we draw nothing in the tens column and 7 beads in the ones column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In part F we have number 5. So we draw 5 beads in the ones column and no bead in the tens column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's have a recap. Tens road shows tens digit, ones road shows ones digit. For example, 1 bead in the tens column means 110 and 4 beads in the ones column means 4 ones. So 10 plus 4 equals 40. Home task. Solve page 20-21 on your book. Thanks for watching this video lecture. Allah Hafiz.